Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So today we will continue with our previous stack series, and in the previous stack series we have solved the one of the question that was I think greater, yeah, make the string greater. So today we will continue with that. After the series we will continue, we will go with that series, and here the next question is palindrome list. So it is very easy. What you need to do here is you will have the one of the linked list. Linked list could be I'm taking as 1 2 3 2 1. The second example will be 1 2 2 1. So here what you need to do, you need to simply find the mid of it. So the first solution which you can do it, you can simply store, you will take one of the list and you will simply store that list into one of the list. I'm taking as L. Then you will find the length of L, that will give you 5, and when you will divide it, it will give you 2. Now this is mid of it and this is the start of it. So you will go to 0 to let's take as a m, 0 to m, and m plus 1 is equals to n, m plus 1 to n. So here what you will compare, so this is very basic. So here it is 1, or you can, sorry, what in this you have to go to the n to n minus 1 to m tak. So this is n minus 1. Now this is equal, correct. Now you will increment, you will come to 2 and you will decrease this one. Now this will be 3. Now when you will come this one, both are equal, and you will come out of the loop and you will simply say yes, it is palindrome. And what's the meaning of 0 to m? 0 to m means 0 to 2. Then n minus 1 will be 4 to 2. So here you will traverse 0 comma 1, and here you can traverse 4 comma 3. I hope you understood. This is very basic question. The second one is you will take the two pointer. One is a slow pointer, one is a fast pointer. The slow pointer point 1 and the fast pointer will point to 2. Here when you will move to 1, in 1 ahead, it will go to the 2 ahead, 2 position ahead. When you will move to 3, this will go move the 2 position ahead. Now as you can see, this is pointing to 3, and it is a mid. The main logic is when you slow at 1, the faster at position 2. When it is at 2, then you're faster at position 4. When your slow pointer will point to a 3 position, then your pointer will point to the 6 position. So if it is 6, then the mid of it is 3. If the length of 4, then your mid is 2. I will make you understand by one more example. If it is 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, so your slow is here, fast is here. Now your slow will go there and your fast will come here. Now when your slow is come here, your fast will come here. When your slow will come at this position, your fast will come at this position. When your slow come at 5, your fast will move to the end. And you can see 5 is the mid. So that's all. That is the first step to find the mid. If you find the mid of it, if you can find the mid of it, now you have a two. Now you can break your linked list into into linked list. One is this one and second is this one. Now you have a two linked list, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Second is 4 3 2 1. Now the second step is to reverse the second list. It will be 1 2 3 4. Now you have this one. Now you have to compare both of them. If any of the value is not equal, then you can simply tell false. But in all the cases, if it 1 2 3 4, it will be 1 2 3 4. And what is 5? You have to ignore this one. You do not need to check. Okay. So and this is the odd length. Now I will give you the even length one. If you have a 1 2 3 2 2 1, let's take as a 2 1. Okay. it is 2. Now this is slow, this is fast, this is slow, this is fast. Now you have came at this position. Now this is the mid, you will take this is the mid. Now you will break this one into two part. 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 1. Just take the reverse of it. This will be 1 2. Now you will check 1 1 2 2. Yes, this is palindrome. Yeah, that's it. That's it, the logic part. Let's do the coding part. So first step is to find the mid. Let's take one example. The first step is to find the mid. So I'm taking the two pointer that is slow and fast. You can take the complete name slow and fast. So that will be head, and next one will be the head of next. Now you need to run the loop. Fast does not equals to none, and fast of next does not equals to none. So in this case, slow is here, fast is here. When the slow is come here, the fast is come at this point. Now you can see the fast of next is equals to the fast of next is equals to none. So it will come up the loop, and you will find the 2 as a mid. And when you will find the fast as none, when you have an even number. Now 1 is here, and now slow is here, fast will be here. When slow is here, fast at this position. When slow is here, the fast at this position, null position. If it is none, then it will come at this position. Now this is the mid. That's why I have written the two condition here. Now I need to move slow by 1 and fast slow, and I need to move the slow by by 1 position, by 1 step, and I need to move the fast by 2 step ahead. I will move 2 step in forward direction. So this is S, this is slow, or you can take the complete name. I'm taking the complete name because that will be more convenient, that will be more understandable what I'm doing here. So it is fast. Now when you will come at the mid of it here, when you will come at this position, at this point, now what you need to do here is you need to find, you can say that the second head, second head means this is the, you have a first head as a head. Now the second list you will have this one, so this is the head of the second list. So that will be slow dot next. Now you have find the next, now you have a two string. Now this is the second head, this is the second head. Now you have to break, because this will be pointing to this one. Now you have to break slow of next is equals to none. Now it is pointing to nothing. Now you have a two string 1 2 3 and 2 1, and at 1, and which pointer is pointing to the start of this list, that is the head. Head was pointing to the first. Now you have a two thing, one is a 1 2 3 second will be 2 1. Now the second condition is to reverse second, reverse the second list. Linked lists. Now the second step is this one. Now for this one, I hope you already know how to reverse it. If you do not know, just learn how to reverse the list. So you will take the 3 pointer here. First is the current head, the second is the previous head, now we have a second head. Second head does not equals to none. Now what you need to do, the current head. So how you will get the previous head? Previous head will be the current head, and your current head will be the second head, and your second head will be the second head dot next. Now you have a 2 comma 1. Now at the starting the current and the previous was none, so this is the current head, so the your current head should be the second head. Now this is second head, and this is current head as well, and your previous head was, and the previous head is none. Now previous head is still none, the current head will be the second head, just take as a none, and second head will be the second of next. Now the second head will come here. Now the previous head is the previous head will come here, current head will become here, and here what you, the current head should point to the previous head. I hope that's all. Now the third step is traverse the both linked list. Now this not equals to none, and here we have a current head does not equals to none. If head dot val does not equals to the current head dot val, then we have to return false, else we need to return true. Now this is slow and fast. Here we need to slow dot fast, flow fast, fast. And now the second head will be the slow dot next, and slow dot next will be the none. Now here we need to reverse it. Now current head will point the second pointer will move. Now current head will point to the previous, because I need to reverse it, because here one, here previously it is pointing in this one. Now I need to move in this direction. For that one, my current head should point to the previous head. So the current head will be the 1, the previous head will be the 2, and the current head will always to be the end. So that's why the current head and the previous head. And here one more thing we need to do here is head is equals to head dot next, and current head equals to current head dot next. Invalid. Okay, not a problem. So first is to break the list, second is the reverse the linked list, the third is to traverse the list, both linked list, and see that whether there is no two value, where there is no, if there is two values are not same, then you can simply say that linked lists are not palindrome, otherwise it is palindrome. And you know that what is palindrome? Palindrome is, yeah, it has been run, then multiple cases I have taken here. So palindrome is to both the list have the same number of both the like if you traverse from starting and from end, if you will move in forward direction and the second pointer will move in the backward direction from the end, then both have the same number of same type of element. Means if it is first element is 2, the last element is also 2. When you will move forward, then you will reach to 3. So when you back from the last, it should also have 3. So that is from my side. It has been run successfully. So we are traversing the linked list only once. So here this is big O of n solution, and we are not taking taking any of the extra space as well. So that is big O of n solution, and it is here given that can you solve big O of n solution space. So this is a big O of n solution. I hope you understood, guys. I will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.